Ben of the BP Custom Creations YouTube channel has completed the Silva challenge. As you may recall, this is the box of stuff that I sent to him, and here's what he did with it. This is amazing. It's always wonderful when you have someone with a really creative imagination and they have master level skills to go with it. And those two combine to create something that I never could have imagined. This build is phenomenal, Ben. If you haven't seen Ben's channel, definitely go check it out. There will be a link to his channel in the description for this video. And at the end of the video, I'll put a link to his video where he shows how he created this. And here you're seeing some of the background shots of how he got to that finished product. You'll get to see what he was thinking at different times as he's doing it and how he made that build come about, including the diorama, which is so cool and just adds so much to the build as well. He did a blow-up picture here of the stuff I sent to him. He called it junk. I don't believe it. Anyhow, thank you so much for taking the challenge, Ben. Everyone, please go check out his channel and the build video. I hope you enjoy these videos as much as I do. There's more coming. Everybody stay safe and healthy out there. I'll catch you in the next one.